Sad news, sad news. So, did a compression test. All of the cylinders were good. Those are all fine. Except for cylinder 4. Yeah, got the cylinder 4 and 0 compression. So, went back around just to double check. Did them all again. They're all within, they're all dead on pretty much with each other except for 4. So, went ahead and did a leak down test. Started with 3 just to mix it up. 3 solid, 3 no leak at all. 4 huge quick leak coming out of the exhaust side. So it's looking like it might be a bent valve. So I'm gonna go ahead with that. Shitty for me, but good for you guys, because you just get to watch as I suffer and cry and keep her going. But hey, this is what we do. This is what happens. This is what happens. Oh man, this sucks, but it's okay. Whatever. This is the job now. Welcome back to KAPS Garage. We have got the head back. She is looking so shiny. So today, because we can't find anything online or YouTube really about just replacing the timing chain guides, because while taking off the head, decided to break this little guy right there. So now we got to take off the front cover plate, which includes taking out the water pump, which includes taking out, let's see, what else do we gotta do? I don't think we gotta touch the compressor. That should be fine. We do have to take this off, so we might have to take this pulley off. Take off the Jesus nut, is what they call it. Obviously this hard line, and then it's just a bunch of teeners. Intense 10s. So we're gonna go ahead and knock that choo-choo out. We got the new head gasket. We got the new tensioner. I got the bigger tensioner as well. We don't have to remove the oil pan, which is nice. For some reason, they sent me 2 boxes of head bolts. You know, I wanted 1. So we got extra head bolts if anybody needs some head. We got new sensors, oil pressure sensors. Header gasket boys, and yeah, that should be all we need to get this unit back up and going. Isn't that right, Kevin?
Yeah, totally.
It's Kevin, he's back, guys. Oh my god.
Howdy, handy home.
Get that hand in there.
Looking good.
Hurry, Kevin, struggle. Oh, Jesus. Jeez.
Give me some help.
Kevin, you got it?
Give me some help.
Oh, here you go. That was fucking power of...
That was really easy.
Power of Lord. The power of God and anime on my side.
Magic.
Magico. Magico. So, if you didn't know, feel free to stick a skinny screwdriver in here so that way it bends and then you fuck up more than what you're supposed to. Or just buy the little lock pin, aka this timing case. If you're going to be working on BMWs or not, I would just rent it, you know, because then you could return it and get your money back. But I plan on working on a lot of these, so I'm going to keep that kit around because it's really handy. Handy dandy mandy. I don't know why people call it the Jesus Bolt. Probably because they're like, Jesus, you can't get it all. Help me.
Well, I mean, look at it, bastard. That's a thick boy. That's a thick boy.
You ever seen?
You ever boy that thick?
So thick. There we go. Take off the balancer, and if you're lucky like me and you live in the northern region where there's a shit ton of rust, yours won't have a lot of rust because you get it from Canada and they don't use salty salt like we salt our salty salts, and you get so that you end up having something like that. And that's called a saltine cracker.
Salty platoon.
Yeah, that's a salty platoon right there. Got bolt here, here. There's one on the top. You can't see really underneath this hose. There we go. Right there. There's one right here, one right here, and then there is 4 from the oil pan attached. So we'll probably have to drain the oil, I'm assuming. It's a pretty easy assumption considering that you should probably drain the oil before you do this. But we'll see how she rolls. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so you get all the bolts out. Then you have to knock these 2 pins out that they have. One pin is right, let's see, it's right down here, right underneath. It's oil unit. I knocked them out from the back to the front. They say you can knock them out from the front to the back. So there's one there, and then the other one is down and on. Let me get this light. Down and on here, right where that hole is. That's where the other one is. So you got to knock those out because those will just act as a guide to get the cover back on. Make sure it sits correctly. So you got to knock those bad boys out and get every single one of these bolts out, which I missed one right here. So we'll go ahead and get that one out, and the cover should come off. So we'll see. Get this last one out. There's a little rubber mallet. And there she goes, boys. There she goes. Now let me mind you, I didn't empty the oil, so we'll see how this goes. Reason why I didn't empty the oil is if we get any cruddy buddy in here while opening this up, cracking the old whippersnapper, pulling her forward, we don't want anything entering the danger zone. So if you empty it and you get some cruddy buddy down there, well then you fill it, and now you got a bunch of cruddy buddy washing around. So we're gonna go ahead and do the oil change after. We should be good to go. So let's see if we can swing this around town. There we go. And there is the cover. That of which I don't know why anybody on YouTube doesn't actually have a process of taking off the cover. So as you can see, it's actually pretty damn easy as long as you do the head first. Ain't that right?
Maybe. Sometimes. Yeah.
Alright, so we got the broken doohickey off. Obviously, while I did that one, I replaced this one as well. Well, this is good. She's looking good. She's looking good. So, went ahead and got the new seal in as well. Cleaned it up a little bit. Got a little bit of the smoochy goodsy on the cootsy. Because we didn't take off the pan. So we cleaned that one up. AKA Kevin cleaned it up. Hi. So, we're going to go ahead and put the old fronter bunner back on. And get it bolted and tightened down. Then we got to just clean the surface for the head. And away the assembly goes. Shoot!
Oh, there it is.
Crank her back on. Jesus! Jesus, take the wheel, please. Lord, Lord, give me the bolt. Yes. They call
Fat.
this the Jesus bolt.
It's a fat boy.
It's called the Jesus bolt.
What's the torque on this?
Torque is
Jesus.
over 9,000.
Jesus foot-pounds?
Over 9,000.
Monumental foot-pounds.
You gotta calm down around here, man.
Relax, man. I'm trying to work here.
right, so we got the coolant in. We got burnt bottle. We have oil. Let's try to start it. All right. First start, new head. Come on, baby. Live on. Okay, there we go. There we go, baby. Oh, like butter. Like butter. Yes. Yes. This is so exciting for me. This is so good. It's so smooth. No rattle. Did the anti-rattle in here. Oh, she lives on. Yes. Yes. No leaks. Yes. Oh. Yes. Alright, so I'm going to get it on the ground. If you don't know already, check out the new shoes. Once she gets on the ground, it'll look a lot better. This is so exciting. She's running so smooth, boys. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yes. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. All right, I'm gonna get her down. There we have it. She's back on all fours. I won't go into detail on how that happened, but it happened, okay? I just want to thank you guys for watching the video. I really suck at coming up with some outros. I actually almost forgot to come up with an outro. So this is the outro. Old girl is back on all fours. Probably do a little sound check or something. I want to upgrade the rest of the speakers in here, so if you guys have any good recommendations on some door speakers for this. These I had to get because I can't find any used cars, blah blah blah, at the U-Pull that have 6.5s or whatever. And haven't had new speakers in a while. I have some subs over there that I wanted to get set up, but thanks for checking out the video. As always, much peace, love, and happiness. If you got something holding you back, just, I don't know, do a little bit of cleaning on something. Just keep working towards exactly what you want and what you believe that you deserve. Don't be a dick to people. It's a good start. Once again, thank you guys. As always, much love. Peace.